Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a new headlight bulb. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to prevent any injuries during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. You'll see two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Carefully remove these. Next, locate a plastic pushpin near the fender and use your flathead screwdriver to pop it out. With these fasteners removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to detach it from its mounting clips. It should slide out smoothly. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to disconnect it from the old bulb. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then reattach the electrical connector by twisting it clockwise. Now let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting position, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Don't forget to reinsert the plastic pushpin near the fender. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working properly. This completes the headlight replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.